Welcome to RC Corner. In this video, we're demonstrating the integration of the DJI Matrice 400 with the Wisson AP3-P3 high-pressure cleaning payload during a live customer demonstration at a car wash facility. Our first step is setting up the ground cleaning system. This includes the high-pressure water pump and the water filtration system, which work together to provide a reliable and continuous water supply for the cleaning operation. Next, we set up the water filtration system. It is automatically filtered. One outlet delivers clean water to the pump, while the second outlet removes dirty water and trapped contaminants from the filtration process, protecting the pump and spray nozzles from dirt, sand. The filtration unit features one water inlet and two outlets, as normal water passes through the system. The filter ensures that only clean water enters the high-pressure pump. This helps maintain stable water pressure, prevents nozzle blockages. Once the water system is fully prepared, we connect the Wisson AP3-P3 cleaning payload to the DJI Matrice 400. All host connections, electrical interfaces, and communication links are carefully secured to ensure stable operation. Before takeoff, we complete all standard safety inspections. We verify that the high-pressure pump is operating correctly, the filtration system is functioning properly, all host connections are secure, and the spray nozzles are correctly installed and aligned. After confirming that every component is ready, the drone is cleared for flight. With all systems operating normally, the DJI Matrice 400 takes off and begins the cleaning demonstration. The AP3-P3 payload delivers a powerful high-pressure water spray directly onto the vehicle, effectively removing dirt and surface contaminants. Throughout the demonstration, the cleaning system performs smoothly, maintaining consistent pressure and delivering excellent cleaning results. Following the inspection, the vehicle is cleaned successfully, demonstrating the efficiency, stability, and performance of the DJI Matrice 400 combined with the Wisson AP3-P3 cleaning payload. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our drone cleaning solutions, please contact us at sales@rccorner.com or visit www.rccorner.a.